in a top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man, they tell the chef hurry.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today we are back, guys. We are back with another video. You guys have not seen us in a very long time.
Yes, definitely.
And we have no explanation because anything we're gonna tell you right now, your excuses.
Be a story.
So it don't make no sense to come with that. Okay, guys. So we are just going to get straight into the video.
Yes. So go ahead.
So we took a hiatus from YouTube because of excuses. Very lazy.
Rakisha's father.
No, we had complaints as well. Amidst all of that, we had complaints as well. We had equipment issues.
Yeah.
Our phones not recording properly. Things that we used to edit not working and all of that. But I think it boils down to laziness, majority of it.
That's true.
Alright, so we are in this pandemic right now, and we just want to send condolences to the persons who may have lost
their family and friends.
Right. During this time, we are expressing our condolences to you, and we pray your strength and all of that. Okay?
Yes. Keep safe. And just keep away from the crowd.
Yes.
Wear your mask.
Wash your hands.
Yeah. And well, you're supposed to wash your hands from before even this happens.
Regularly.
You know, say, feed your hand with soap now and water. We have a lot of things on our mind, like upcoming things like cooking events, like we are
things that we would want to implement on the channel because we are in quarantine and there is not a lot to do. Because basically we are just home. The only place that we go is to the supermarket and the market, and then we are back at home, in, out.
That's it.
Bam, scramble, and that's it.
Yeah.
We ain't into the all over the place. We don't do that. So as Kim was saying, we would implement some more cooking videos.
Yes, some challenges. Even though I understand that you guys don't really like challenges a lot, based off the analytics on our videos, realize that our vlogs grow more than the challenges. But yes, guys, we are back and we're just trying to do something to let you guys smile and be happy to know that we're still together. We're not fake. And stronger than ever as usual. We still got each other's back and side and front and everything. So yes, but we want to do like mostly home videos, and
we have to. We're forced to, because there's not much we can do. If we do go to the supermarket, we'll try to get a little footage here and there. But
if you guys have anything in mind, you guys can share it. Just comment in the comment section and tell us what you want to see, or you can contact us on Instagram, Rock and Kim, or you can follow Rakisha, Raksha. She's gonna put.
I'm going to put everything in the description.
I can follow her on TikTok as well.
I'm on TikTok, guys. When I tell you, TikTok is everything.
Yeah.
You hear me? So if you are not on the app, go and get the app. Start to follow your girl because she is doing her thing over there.
And for all the persons out there who's interested in PUBG, you can follow your guy, Toxic Gangster. You know, I'm starting a new channel over there, so we can grow that. I need at least 4,000 subscribers to kick it off like a ball, but you know I think I'm gonna leave a link in this
description.
Alright. We're back and we're gonna try our best to keep up. Right? Rakisha have a lot of time straight until September before she is back at work.
Back at work. So I have a lot of time. I can do
it's not a lot of time now, but
yeah. Because I still have to do stuff at home in terms of other stuff that we're not going to really get into. What I want to say is thanks to the persons who have subscribed to the channel, even though we never post no video.
And the persons who are who keep on commenting and asking and checking up upon us. That's a good thing.
A lot of DMs from persons who have been saying, where are the vlogs? People even comment on the videos, where are the vlogs? How comes I don't see any vlog from you for so long? And it's just crazy love, and we appreciate you guys so much. Even the other sometime last week, because today is Monday, sometime last week somebody texted me and asked me about the channel, and I'm like, oh my god, I feel so appreciated. I just feel appreciated, and I am appreciative of the effort and the time that you people take to just comment and tell us how you feel and such. We are really grateful. And if you have stumbled across this video, I'm going to answer to you. Click the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and what else did I want to say? Share.
And just follow us. Just keep the community nice and clean as usual. I know that we stand for love, and we represent love and unity. So we appreciate you guys a lot, and we are happy that you guys are still with us. So just continue to follow us, subscribe to our channel, share it, and do everything you normally do, and we'll get back stronger than ever as usual. You know that.
Yes, guys. So we are 200 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers, which we need, guys. We need 1,000 subscribers from you. So if you could share this video, share our other videos to your friends and family, make everybody watch, you know. Oh,
one more thing. I was thinking about it. Starting a prank challenge, but yes, but you know, with me, if I'm doing a prank, it's gonna be like real hardcore prank on Rakisha. So, but if you guys want to see that, guys, just let me know. You can just text me. Alright, just comment and let me know.
I've never looked at us as a prank kind of person. Like, no.
But as I said, just let us know, guys. Just feed the comments with your thoughts.
With your thoughts. Yeah, just
also spam the like button.
Guys, I've been more invested in doing makeup and stuff. So if you guys want to see anything in regards to makeup, based on how I appear to you on the channel, you can let me know.
Okay, definitely.
I can do videos on that, so no problems. No problems. Just comment down below, guys. Let us know.
Yes.
Once again, we just want to thank you all for supporting us. Continue to support us, guys, because guess what? We are going to support you once you support us, and that's on period. We support who supports us. Definitely. Okay? So thank you guys so much for watching this updates, and or we are back, or whatever you want to call it, but
full 100.
we have videos that we have filmed already to be edited, so I hope that you guys will stay tuned for them because they're very good. And yeah,
that's it,
guys. So see you guys in the next video, which will be shortly after this video. Alright, so make up with a nice clean self, and I'll see you guys in the next